Imagine you come to the grocery store and you scan your items. You've got your apple, your bananas, a nice calculator, and when you get to the checkout, the power cuts, and for some reason your phone stops working, and the cashier tells you, "I'm sorry, I can't tell you the total." And you have with you a £50 note for some reason in your wallet. It's all you have. Now, how do you work out if you have enough money? If this question leaves you feeling confused, this video is for you. Today we're going to learn addition and subtraction. By the end of this video, you should be able to do both addition and subtraction easily. Questions like this or this. So let's get started. The first thing we'll have a look at is addition. So the best way to put this question, 78 plus 128, is like this. So we simply put 78, we line it up with 128 so that the units are above each other, the tens are together, and the hundreds is in this area here. And now we simply add the 8 and the 8. What we get is 16. Where does the 1 go? Over here, next to the tens column. Then 7 plus 9 is 9, and then plus 1 is 10. So how do we write 10 here? Well, we just write the 0, and then the 1 goes here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So your answer is 206. Let's try the next question. 829 plus 53. Well, 9 plus 3 is 12. So we write the units, the 2, and the 10 goes here, 1. And then 12 plus 5 is 17. We write the 7, and the 1 goes here. Finally, 8 plus 1 is 9. So that's how we add. But how do we subtract? Well, we can't take away 6 from 5, so we borrow 1 from 0. And if we can't borrow 1 from 0, we borrow 1 from the one on the left. So this will become 6. 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. So you put a 1, not a 9. That's my fault. And then finally, we put the 6. Let's try another easier example. 108 minus 53. 8 minus 3 is 5. 100, well, just borrow the 1 and put it here. And 10 minus 5 is 5. And there is 0 here. So the answer is 55. Now let's go back to the question we started with. If we write it neatly, we get this. So we line up the decimal points. We put 2 zeros next to 35. Makes it easier for us. And now we can just add. Pause the video here to try and figure this one out by yourself. So to answer this question, we do 9 plus 0 plus 8. That's 17. 19 plus 0 plus 2 is 21. And we don't forget the decimal point. 2 plus 5 plus 7 is 14. The little one goes here. And 1 plus 3 is 4. And there you go. It's less than 50. The answer is £44.17 is the total. So we do have enough money. Now, how comfortable do you feel with addition and subtraction? On a scale of 1 to 10, put it in the description below. Thank you, and I'll see you next time with another maths video.